Good afternoon, dear students. We are all belong to a country called India. India is a vast country. Therefore, India is divided into four parts physically. They are northern mountains, northern Great Plains, peninsular plateau, coastal plains, and islands. At the same time, for the better administration of our country, India is divided into different states. Which state are you belong to? Well, dear students, we are all belong to a state called Karnataka. What do you know about Karnataka? How did the name Karnataka has come? Dear students, I am going to give you a detailed information about Karnataka in the chapter 1, Our State Karnataka. In this chapter, you are going to learn the greatness of our state and its heritage, the origin of the name Karnataka and the form of the state, the geographical location, size, land and water frontiers and neighboring states of Karnataka. First of all, let us know about the history of Karnataka. Karnataka is a beautiful place with a variety of falls, different people, various animals, temples, mosques, churches, and so on. Our state Karnataka, the land of Kannadigas. All the Kannadigas live in Karnataka. It is one of the Indian states which has its own greatness, prestige, and heritage. Of course, there are various places in Karnataka is chosen as historical heritage places. This land has an ideal situation and is blessed with diverse relief features, flora and fauna, which means variety of trees, plants and animals, different types of soil. There are variety of soils like red soil, black soil, alluvial soil and so on. River systems, we have various rivers, river Kaveri, Krishna, Tungabhadra and so on. We have variety of minerals and human resources. We all think more population is dangerous to country and state, but when the huge population is converted into human resource, it is a benefit for our state. It is a prosperous land with its own literature, art and culture. And has religious, spiritual and historically famous pilgrim centers. So this is the image of Karnataka. Please learn to draw Karnataka map. It will be asked for 4 marks. 1 marks to draw, the other 3 marks to locate. The name Karnataka has been in use from ancient times. This land used to be called Karunadu. That is explained here. Kar plus Nadu is equals a land of black soil. Of course, black soil is available in plenty to us in our Karnataka, especially northern Karnataka. The word Karunat refers to Karnataka in the ancient Tamil work Shilpadikaram. Karunat means the land which is on an elevated plateau, which is on the top. It has been mentioned in Nrupatunga's grammatical work Kaviraja Marga that Karnataka extended from the Kaveri river up to Godavari river, Where is river Kaveri has taken birth? Where is river Kaveri is taken birth? Kaveri river is taken birth in Talakaveri in Kodagu district. In Talakaveri in Kodagu district. After the independence, India was divided into many states, as I already told you. In the year 1953, 9 southern districts, which were till then under the rule of the Mysuru kings, were brought together to form the Mysuru state. Later, when the states were reorganized on linguistic basis, areas with Kannada speaking people in Bombay, Hyderabad, Madras and Kodagu provinces were brought together. See, there was a fight for separate states, especially Potti Sriramulu from Andhra Pradesh was asking for separate Andhra Pradesh. He underwent 58 days fasting and he died. After his death in the year 1953, the government divided the states Andhra Pradesh based on the language. This is the first state to be divided based on the languages. Later in the year 1956, the states were divided based on the languages. Thus, on 1st November 1956, the Vishala Mysore state came into being. First, the Karnataka was known as the Vishala Mysuru in the year 1956. You can see Karnataka map and people are dancing. We celebrate November 1st as Karnataka Rajyostava. See, Rajyostava, the Sambhrama Chirakali Nimma Jote Irali. It is in fond commemoration of this event that Rajyostava is celebrated every year on 1st November. When do we celebrate Karnataka Rajyostava? Every year on 1st we celebrate Karnataka Rajyostava or Kannada Rajyostava. In 1973, in response to the wishes of Kannadigas, our state was renamed as Karnataka. When was our Karnataka renamed? The Karnataka state was renamed in the year 1953 by the Chief Minister Devraj Ars. You can see. Karnataka is one of the 29 states. Now there are 28 states since Jammu and Kashmir became the union territories of a state. Now we have 28 states. It is situated in the southern part of India in the western central area of peninsular region. You can see the Karnataka map which is bordered in yellow. Where is Karnataka situated? It is situated in the southern part of India in the western central area. It extends from 11 degree 31 minute north to 18 degree 45 minute north latitude and 74 degree 12 minutes east to 78 degree 40 minutes east longitude. You can see that here. Hope you understood. Please read this. Geographical location. Its length is 750 km, stretching from Aurad Taluk in Bidar district in the northernmost tip of the state to Chamarajanagar district in south, which is the northern tip of Karnataka. Bidar is the northern tip of Karnataka. It extends from Bidar to Chamarajanagar, which is the last district in south Karnataka, that is Chamarajanagar. Its width is 400 km from the west to east. it. You can see the mark here from west to east, from Kolar to Karwar, or Karwar to Kolar. Karwar in Kannada district is at the western end, whereas Mulubagilu Taluk in Kolar district is at the eastern end. Karnataka state has both land and water frontiers. Land and water borders. Frontiers is nothing but borders. The Arabian Sea in the west. You can see Arabian Sea. They have written in Arabi Samudra in Kannada. In the east, Arabian Sea in the west, states of Maharashtra in the north, Andhra Pradesh in the east. You can see Andhra Pradesh divided into two parts now, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Andhra Pradesh in the east, Tamil Nadu in the south, southeast, Kerala in the southwest, and Goa in the northwest form the frontiers. There will be a question, name the neighboring states of Karnataka. You can easily write states of Maharashtra in the north, Andhra Pradesh in the east, Tamil Nadu in the south and southeast, Kerala in the southwest, Goa in the northwest. These are the neighboring states of a state. The shape of Karnataka resembles a cashew nut. Hope you have seen cashew nut. Otherwise, you please see it here. Cashew nut. This is cashew nut. What is the shape of Karnataka? Karnataka is in the cashew nut shape. Karnataka stretches over an area of 1,91,791 square kilometers. It is India's 8th largest state with regard to area and according to the 2011 census. The census takes place in our country once in 10 years. It has the 9th position with the population of 6 crores 11 lakh 30,704. Karnataka occupies 5.83% of India's geographical area. What is the geographical area? 5.83%. The size. At present, there are 30 districts in our state. You can draw Karnataka map and locate all the districts of Karnataka. How many districts are there? 30 districts in our state. These districts comprises 176 taluks. How many taluks are there in Karnataka? 176 taluks. 747 hoblies and 347 towns and cities and 27,481 villages. Please note down this. So 176 taluks. Hoblies. What do you mean by hoblies? Hoblies are smaller than the taluks. For example, Mudugal is a hobli. 747 hoblies, 347 towns and cities, 27,481 villages. Cities, towns are bigger than the villages. Belagavi district is the largest in size. Which is the largest district in size? Belagavi. And Bengaluru urban district is the smallest in size. Remember please, size. Okay. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. Which is the capital of Karnataka? Bengaluru. You can see that in a map here. The state has been divided into 4 administrative divisions. They are Bengaluru, Mysuru, Belagavi and Kalaburgi. These are the 4 administrative divisions of Karnataka. Thank you dear students. Hope you understood. whatever I taught you.